baby cobra. And then on your next knee, now walk those hands. You have a choice on keeping your arms down along the side, or if you want to spin your shoulders behind you.
Yeah. Oh, you scroll. You scroll. You scroll.
Off if that feels good, or you can keep, oh man.
Warming through that torso, stretching out that right shoulder.
Bring your right ear to the floor to even out the stretch.